So guys, for this video, we will draw and color a cat. Cats are fascinating creatures. They're known for their playful antics, curious nature, and independent personalities. Did you know that they have a unique way of communicating? They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and even purring to express their feelings. Plus, each cat has its own quirks and preferences, making them wonderfully unique companions. Cats have excellent night vision, allowing them to see in light levels 6 times lower than what a human needs. Their whiskers are also incredibly sensitive, helping them navigate and detect changes in their environment. Cats are generally territorial animals, often claiming specific areas as their own. They use scent marking, scratching, and even rubbing against objects to establish their territory. Done. See you in our next video.